Thank you for your interest in A Common Voice. I'm Sherry Lyons and I work as the Executive Director. Our mission is to transform lives by celebrating, supporting, and increasing resiliency in parents and families. When parents do better, kids do better. We help parents who are feeling overwhelmed, maybe blamed, frustrated, guilty, feeling isolated, or hopeless about their current situation. Parents whose kids are experiencing a crisis in the home, family conflict, violence, or even maybe their child has ran away. The parents requesting support and guidance navigating a child serving system and help with learning the IEP process. We help parents with self-care and wellness, avoiding caregivers' fatigue and practicing balance. We also focus on strengths, because it's our strengths that get us through the hard times, not our weaknesses. We teach about healthy boundaries, setting realistic boundaries and following through. Educational advocacy training, learning about IEPs, 504s and the process, and how to partner with schools for the best results for your child. We teach families how to be part of a team and how to build the natural support from their family and community. All areas of support and education are to build upon the skill of resiliency. Our definition of resiliency is the ability to bounce back through adversity and to become stronger. To make a referral for a parent support provider, any parent can call Common Voice directly, 253-537-2145. Or if you're working with a parent, any community partner can contact A Common Voice along with a parent. And any parent can give permission to an agency to have A Common Voice give them a call. We know that raising tough kids is a tough job for parents. But we also know that when parents do better, kids do better. Contributions to A Common Voice can be made directly through the United Way of Pierce County. And we thank you ahead of time, and God bless you.